So today we are going to build your very own automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your business that replies instantly to your users, capture leads and work 24/7. And the best part, you don't need to write a single line of code. So to design this entire AI assistant, we'll be using Pabbly Chatflow, one of the easiest tools to build powerful automations without any technical skills. Now without wasting any time, let's start building this AI assistant step by step. First, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow, and then you will be landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you, that if you also want to design this type of automated WhatsApp assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. It is completely worth it. Now, after doing the sign in process, you have to go on the Pabbly Chatflow and then you will come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. We have already created a separate video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am going in this AI assistant feature. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions and solve problems. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. As we are creating a new assistant, so I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button. That will ask me to give the name. So I am entering my assistant name as Scale Customer Support Without Hiring AI Chatflow. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button and you will see our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions types. Once you click on it, you will see multiple types of instructions. So here I am selecting the instructions type as AI agent, and once I select the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions here. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will replies to your user. In simple words, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving responses. You can also make the changes in these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. Next, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, the model, you can select any of the model from here, but I am selecting it as an GPT-4o mini. Next, it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, you have to go towards your OpenAI account. So this is my OpenAI platform. Now for getting this API key, you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can enter it if you want to. Next, the project I am going to select as default project. After that, the permission I am setting as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button and you see I got my API key. So I am copying it from here and going to paste it in this field. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button and you will see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Now I am moving forward to the AI assistant settings with some option, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation. It is usually used for sending welcome messages or short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter it in this field. Here I am not adding. Next one is the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of conversation. It is used for sending a thank you message or contact information. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, here I have entered the stop keywords as stop, and after that I press enter so that the stop keyword is added, and the user will send this keyword to my AI assistant while communicating with them. Then automatically AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users if something goes wrong. You can increase it till 10. Last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical errors such as API key problem or a connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your users for better conversation. I have entered the fallback message is this, that I am here to assist with questions and related to company information or support. If you have any questions about our services or need assistance with someone specific, feel free to ask. But you can customize this fallback message completely based on your own business. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base file? See, this is the most and crucial part of AI assistant, as knowledge base plays the major and the most important role. With knowledge base file, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge source, AI assistant gives general responses. So in this tutorial, I want you to know that I am going to design a dummy AI assistant for air fiber support services, but you can customize the same AI assistant for your own business too. The logic will be the same. And now I am going to show you how this knowledge base file look like. So see, this is the knowledge base file for air fiber support. Here I have entered all the information such as the queries that the user faces, FAQs, solutions, contact information, and many more. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. You can customize it completely based on your own business. My objective is only to teach you how you can design an AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, but you can enhance this file by making changes in it. Now I am going to download this file in a PDF format. Until this file gets downloaded, I want you to know that your file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for PDF, but if PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. See, our knowledge base file is downloaded successfully, so I am dragging it and dropping it here, and you will see this is how easily you can upload your knowledge base file inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. After that, I am moving forward to the assistant interface. Here you can design your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. AI assistant for customer support, and you can see as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading is written as we are online and happy to assist you, as it is visible here too. After the initial messages, hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can also disable it from here if you want to. After that, I have entered the footer text as privacy policy, also added footer link to, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. So this is all about the setting up of assistant interface. Now the next one is styling, where you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my AI assistant will becomes active, and clicking on the save AI assistant button so it will saved. So this is how easily you can do the setup of AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. It is the simplest and the easiest way. Now the next button is embed. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other application. When you click on on this button, system will gives you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy that code and paste it inside your website, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your website too. So not only here, you can access this AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. If you like this video till now and you want to do the same setup, then what are you waiting for? Go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing a setup of this AI assistant, now I'm going to set this AI assistant to all contacts. So for that, I am clicking on the settings option and going in this inbox settings by opening it in a new tab. So this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. In this, keep that in your mind. This enable AI auto reply toggle is always enabled. After that, you have to select the contact list from here. On BOM, you have to set your AI assistant that I'm going to select as all contacts. Next, I'm selecting the AI assistant from here as scale customer support without hiring AI Chatflow that we have designed recently. After that, I will click on the save button and see our inbox settings saved successfully. See, here I have set this AI assistant for all contacts, but if you want to set it for any single contacts, we have also a solution for that too. So for that, you have to click on this inbox feature. After that, select the contact on BOM. You have to set your AI assistant. Next, choose the AI assistant by enabling this toggle and select it from this drop down. After that, click on the save button, and this is how easily you can set the AI assistant to any specific user. Now the setup of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Now I am going to test this AI assistant to check whether it is working perfectly or not by sending any message to this AI assistant. Once I send the message, immediately it welcomes me that hello, how can I assist you today? So I am sending a message as share me the services you offer. Then it respond to me with all the services they are offering. Let's say I want to know that how I can get a new air fiber connection. So I am sending a message and see it gives me instant solution. Now I am asking next question as how long does installation take? As it is visible that how smartly the assistant is giving me replies accurately related to my problem. It is only made possible with the help of this knowledge base file that we have uploaded while doing the setup of this AI assistant. So this is how it works. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated AI assistant for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.